So you want a friend with benefits. Here's how. I don't think you always need to tell it like upfront. Okay, you don't need to go before a date or even on the first date and say, hey, by the way, I'm just looking for a friends with benefits relationship. Why? Because that woman often doesn't even know what she wants. She doesn't even know if she's fully attracted to you. She doesn't know like if things would move forward. And so when you already plant the seed, when somebody's not invested in you and you're like, I only want sex and that's it, then a lot of times they'll back out and they'll be like, cool, I don't know if this is for me. If they actually vibed with you and got to know you a little bit and felt that attraction, and then you're like, hey, listen, by the way, this is what I'm looking for, then it's filtered through the lens of, you know what? I do like this person. I trust them. We get along. It's unfortunate. Maybe he wants different things than I do. Maybe not. You might be surprised at how many women are totally down with casual hookups, dude. Endless amounts of women. That's like dating culture in the 20s right now. Most women are not settling down and finding their husband. They're doing tons of dates through their 20s, just like men are. They are totally down with casual relationships. In my mind, I generally wait till things have gotten at least a bit flirtatious or intimate in some sense. You know, we've gotten a little close. Maybe we've made out. Maybe we've hooked up, because that at least gives the opportunity for both people to see if they feel something, to feel a little emotionally close and see the best in each other. And then you're honest about it. Now, the exception is obviously if a woman brings it up sooner, or she says, hey, I'm only looking for a relationship, then I think you absolutely should be honest. If a woman says, hey, what are you looking for? I'm really looking to find somebody that I eventually want to build a life with, then I don't think you should lie or avoid it. You should just tell her. Otherwise, I think that is being disingenuous. Now, the way to tell somebody is just be honest about it. Talk about the positive first. I really like hanging out with you. You're so easy to talk to. And like, I love how much fun we have, or I love how easy it is to laugh with you. I just want to be upfront right now. I'm not looking for anything serious. And you can be honest with your reasons sometimes if you have. I've done kind of a lot of in and out relationships, and I'm just kind of exploring myself and trying not to take things too seriously right now. Or, hey, I'm not really looking for a relationship at this point. I've got so much other things, but I genuinely do want to spend more time with you and get to know you better. If you are open to a relationship, but you don't know with who or maybe with her, you can also say like, you know, I just want to be honest right now. I'm eventually looking for a relationship, but I want that to be with the right person. And until then, I just want to keep things casual, but just be sincere, man. I mean, the best thing you can do is be honest with somebody. Just, you know, own it. If you say like, I'm so sorry to tell you, but I just want to be friends with benefits and I hope that's okay, then that's the only way somebody's going to feel it. Like, wow, this guy feels like he's doing something shady. Is he doing something shady? But if you're just honest and you're saying, listen, I want to be upfront with you because I like you and I don't want any expectations to end up wrong, but I'm not really looking for anything serious at this point. I've got so many other things I'm working on in my life. And if you're okay with that, I'd love to just keep seeing you and really enjoying our time together. Then you'll find out. A lot of women will appreciate the honesty and they'll be totally down. A lot of women will be disappointed a little bit if they thought you could be more, but they'll still often trust you and be like, well, I trust this guy. I'm turned on. He's not going to be my long-term partner, but maybe we can have some fun until I find that person. And then occasionally you'll find some women that are like, cool, that's not what I'm looking for. And it's still the right answer, dude, because like you never want to mislead somebody and you never want to have mismanaged expectations. That's where people get super hurt. And that's where you get into really hot water. So I know it's a scary conversation, but it usually makes things better one way or another.